Hello, everyone. I'm Mr. Turner. Welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. We're going to do our English classes today. For our English class, we're going to be working with vocabulary with In My School. We've got classrooms, other rooms, in the hallway, and school campus. Like I said, this is all vocabulary today and vocabulary practice. Let's go ahead and get started in classrooms.
Classroom.
Classroom.
Art room.
Art room.
Science lab.
Science lab.
Computer lab.
Computer lab.
Classroom. Art room. Science lab. Computer lab.
O A S U
Classroom.
R T U
Art room. Science lab. Computer lab. Science lab. Classroom. Art room. Computer lab. Art room. Computer lab. Science lab.
Next one is going to be other rooms that you find in the school.
Library.
Library.
Cafeteria.
Cafeteria.
Principal's office.
Principal's office.
Gym.
Gym.
Main office.
Main office.
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Cafeteria.
Cafeteria.
Main office.
Main office.
Library.
Library.
Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Gym.
Gym.
Principal's office.
Principal's office.
B A S U
Bathroom.
K A F E T A E A
Cafeteria. Gym. Library. Principal's office. Main office. Main office. Principal's office. Cafeteria. Library. Gym. Bathroom. Main office. Gym. Principal's office. Library. Bathrooms.
Add in an extra H.
Cafeteria.
Very nice.
More of the
Next one is going to be in the hallway.
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 Stairs.
Stairs.
Entrance.
Entrance.
Lockers.
Lockers.
Bulletin board.
Bulletin board.
Emergency exit.
Emergency exit.
Hallway. Entrance. Stairs. Bulletin board. Emergency exit. Lockers.
A. W. A.
Hallway.
S. T. E. S.
Stairs.
L. A. K. S.
Lockers. Entrance. Emergency exit. Bulletin board. Emergency exit. Hallway. Entrance. Hallway. Stairs. Bulletin board. Lockers. Emergency exit. Entrance.
Last one is school campus.
parking lot,
Parking lot.
field,
Field.
playground,
Playground. Parking lot.
parking lot,
Field.
field,
Playground.
playground,
E. L. D.
field,
L. A. G. Ow. D.
playground, parking lot, field, field, parking lot, playground, field. Playground.
Mix that up.
Parking lot.
Thank you guys for joining me for vocabulary words found in my school or in a school. We practiced classrooms, other rooms, in the hallway, and school campus. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring. This was our English practice. Please like and subscribe and share this channel with someone that might benefit from it. Have a great one and happy English practice.